Alright, let's do this. Alright, it's a tank though. Alright, let's put the tanglet back on. So yeah. Let's go. Let's go. And this question is painted blue now. It used to be, you had to install a new one first. Well, look at that. Look at this. I don't know if you guys remember this. The roof used to be ripped, but now it's all, they fixed it. And this question used to be white. I don't remember, but, or green, I don't know. But now this question is blue. I can tell the changes. Alright, let's pause the video camera now.